Hi, I'm Craig Brockie, founder of Ultimate Health Solutions. Today we're going to make probiotic yogurt. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So first things first, you start out with a clean bowl, a spatula, a tablespoon, and something to serve the yogurt into the small jars. I'm just going to use this today. So the first thing you do is select a probiotic you want to culture. This happens to be the best-selling one on Amazon. I've made probiotic yogurt with this one. It works great. So we're going to take one capsule of this, and we're just going to empty that into the bowl. Now, we take 2 tablespoons of inulin. Inulin is a prebiotic, and this is what feeds the probiotics, in addition to the sugar that's in the milk or cream. So I'm going to put 2 of these in here. Okay, the next step is to put 2 tablespoons of your milk or cream. I like to use half and half dairy because it comes out really creamy and rich and thick, but you can also use whole milk, or if you are vegetarian or have problems with dairy, you can use goat's milk. And if you're vegan, soy milk works out the best, but make sure it's organic. So we're gonna put 2 tablespoons in here. All right, the next step is to make a slurry. So we're just gonna mix this up together so that it's all an even consistency. So everything's blended together. All right, that only takes a few seconds. And then the next thing you do is just add the rest of your 1 quart of cream or milk. How's that? All right, now we're just gonna mix this up a little bit. And now we're going to transfer this liquid here into the small jars. All right, I like to put down paper towel when I pour the liquid into the small jars. So that's what we're gonna do, because sometimes it drips a little bit. Now, if you're doing a 1 quart serving or batch of 1 quart, you can actually fill 5 jars fully or 8 jars partially. So we're just gonna do 8 jars partially full. This is gonna make some delicious yogurt, packed with probiotics. Now I'm gonna put the lids on and place them in the yogurt machine. The next step is to fill the basin of the yogurt maker with some water so that the internal temperature is consistent. And we're gonna fill the water level right up to where the yogurt is in the jars. Now I'm gonna set the temperature and time. So I'm gonna set the temperature to 99 degrees, which is body temperature, and then hit start. And then we're gonna go to 36 hours for extra fermentation, so we get lots of probiotics in here. And then I'm gonna put the lid on, and we're gonna leave this alone for 36 hours. I'm not gonna stir it, I'm not gonna touch it, I'm just gonna come back in 36 hours. You're gonna wanna time your yogurt making so at the end of the 36 hours you're at home, and it's a good time for you to put the jars straight into the fridge. So you don't want it finishing in the middle of the night or when you're away at work. For that reason, I usually start it first thing in the morning or last thing at night. You can also make yogurt in 4-cup containers. We sell these separately, or you can use any brand such as Pyrex. And when you're making the yogurt in these, you would put your ingredients straight in here, and there's less cleanup at the end.